today. As you're under Lego creation, this will be Lego pistol. This one's really working. It shoots rubber bands. It's a tiny magazine. Cool grip design. So let's test fire this. Okay. So my dog's over there. Our dog actually, Choco. So I'm gonna shoot this now. Oh man, it shoots pretty badly. But it's okay. So yeah guys. So that's how it works. The Lego pistol really shoots rubber bands. And yes, just like that. Inside of this is pretty easy. I just see it in YouTube. How it shoots. So rubber band attached here, somewhere here. And yeah, so it works. So how it works actually, every time the rubber band's pulled, and it's like this. If you carry it up, the tech brings it down and releases the rubber band. It's not that much seen because this is black, but I think you understand. So yeah guys, that's another Lego creation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And goodbye. Wait guys, don't go away. This is actually how it really shoots. Yeah, actually pretty, a little bit strong. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for the second time I say that. And goodbye.